Looking for the best welding helmet in 2026, whether you're a professional welder or a DIY enthusiast, the right helmet can make all the difference in safety, visibility and performance. Starting at number 5, we have the ANDELI True Color Welding Helmet. This helmet features a wide shade range from 4 to 13, making it versatile for multiple welding tasks. It comes with a rechargeable battery and side view lenses, giving you enhanced peripheral vision. Perfect for those who want affordability without sacrificing essential features. At number 4, the ARCCAPTAIN Welding Helmet delivers a stunning 180-degree panoramic view. With 4 arc sensors and true color technology, this helmet ensures accurate detection and crystal clear visibility. Ideal for MIG, MAG, TIG and cutting applications. Coming in at number 3, another powerful contender from ANDELI. This panoramic helmet features 4 arc sensors and true color technology, delivering consistent performance across MIG, MAG and MMA welding. It's designed for reliability and comfort, making it a solid mid-range option. At number 2, we have the professional auto-darkening welding helmet with a 3-view system. And this helmet boasts a large 100 by 93 millimeter viewing area and 5 arc sensors for maximum responsiveness. With DIN 4 to 13 shade range and EN 379 certification, it delivers top-tier optical clarity and safety. Taking the number 1 spot, ARCCAPTAIN, a welding helmet with built-in light. This helmet stands out with its integrated light, making it perfect for low visibility environments. So it features 4 arc sensors, true color technology, an excellent versatility for MIG, MAG, TIG and cutting. If you want the best combination of innovation, comfort and performance, this is it. Choosing the right welding helmet depends on your needs, but any of these top picks will upgrade your welding experience in 2026. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and explore more global deals right here on Global Deal Explorer.